Hey everybody, I'm Hugh Brownstone for Three Blind Men and an Elephant. Behind the camera, as always, Claudia. We're here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, once the heart of the steel industry which drove the United States into the 20th century. Of course, as soon as I utter that, I think about Robert Frank's seminal 1958 work, The Americans. But hold that thought for another time. Instead, today, really, all we want to do as we enter the waning days of 2019 is to say thank you. Thank you to all of our YouTube subscribers, our Instagram and Twitter followers, our patrons at Patreon, our industry partners from Adorama and B&H to Hasselblad, Leica, and so many more. Thank you for joining us on an extraordinary journey this year. Most rewarding of all, thank you to those of you who joined us at our Streets of New York photography workshop this year. Just a joy and a privilege to share our passions and curiosities in the greatest city on earth. For Three Blind Men and an Elephant, I'm Hugh Brownstone. That's Claudia Brownstone. Happy, healthy, merry. See you soon.